Okay, hello everyone, my name is Paola, and today I'm going to show you some of the most important dynamic processors. So first of all, we're going to use a compressor. So here I am in GarageBand in Bruno Mars song, Just the Way You Are. So I'm going to try to use this compressor on a loop that it's a kick of drums. So that's the sound of the kick of the drums uncompressed. So now I'm going to go to my compressor here, and here I can see some of the configurations that the program has, but I don't know if I can use a new one. Maybe not, but okay, we're going to use a classic drums. And here we see the threshold, that it's the threshold. It tells you when the compressor it starts to act in the actual loop. So here I'm going to play a little bit with the threshold. We're going to put it a little bit exaggerated, and we're going to put a very high ratio, and the attack we're gonna keep it low, and we're going to put 0 on the gain. Okay, so let's hear it again. Okay. Let's see what happens if we raise the attack. Okay, now it sounds more aggressive because the transients, well, they are happening. So if we keep it a little bit lower, we stop the transients. I want to decrease a little bit the ratio so it's not so exaggerated. And also threshold. Okay, now it's fine. And also we can increase a little bit the gain to perceive a higher volume. Here. Okay, so this is a compressor. Also, here in GarageBand, we have other dynamics like the limiter, that we know that it's a compressor, but with a very high ratio and a low threshold. So we can also experiment with that one. So I'm going to, let's hear it without the limiter. Okay, we have a nice drum. We stop it, and let's increase the gain. Okay. Okay, we see if we increase the gain, it turns a little bit. Yes, the volume turns a little bit higher, we could say. And also we have some predetermined configurations, right? So, well, that's all for today assignments. I hope that you like it and that you find it helpful for you. I enjoyed very much making this video, and I'll see you in the next assignment. Thank you very much.